Hey there everyone, welcome to Gaming Basis, and on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to switch accounts in NBA Live. Let's get started. Now, to switch accounts in NBA Live, what you want to do is go to your settings, and from here you should see a logout option right here. Just tap on it and press on logout. Now you will be taken back to the game's title screen. Just tap on screen and tap on returning user. Now you can see I have two accounts, one with Facebook and one with Google Play. I was logged into the Facebook account before, so I'll choose on Google Play this time. So I'll just press on continue. Here I have successfully logged into my another account. And that's how you switch account on NBA Live. If you face any trouble, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.